Imagine yourself just 3 miles away from the best dining, entertaining, and shopping in the Overland Park area. We're giving you a sneak peek today of Corbin Park, Prairie Fire, and the newest Chicken and Pickle because this is minutes away from my newest listing in Windsor Manor. This home is priced under $500,000 in the Blue Valley School District, nestled on a cul-de-sac, sprinkled with updates. Oh, and did I mention that we are a bike ride away from the Shields Soccer Park? Yep, it's true. This home is for you.